Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to share with you my favorite fitness tracking device.
This is the Whoop 4.0. I have it here in the Onyx black strap it comes with. Super comfy, easy to take on and off. If you want to switch the strap out, very easy to do so. The Whoop itself is this small device. I'm going to show you some of my data, just an overview. This is not your average fitness tracker. That is why I love it so much. It goes into depth with your sleep performance, how maybe some lifestyle habits are affecting that, how that therefore affects your recovery, and then how much strain your body might be capable of that day, depending on how well you recovered. So I've been wearing this for 2 years now. So I have really learned so much about myself and these different trends, which is what I find most amazing about it. I wear it all the time through all kinds of activity. If I'm doing something maybe with a kettlebell where it might hit the whoop, I'll just twirl it around to protect it. But other than that, it is extremely durable. It's waterproof. It also comes with a battery pack that you charge and then just go ahead and slide on. That is also waterproof, so you literally never have to take this Whoop off if you don't want to. Of course, it's not always going to show you 100% how you are feeling that day, but this is a really powerful, I think, tracking tool if you want to get a better idea of your recovery, help you refine to train and perform your best.
I love my Whoop so much. It has been extremely insightful for me, and I fully plan to continue to wear it. I think that it is a fantastic tool for anyone who is looking to track activity, recovery, sleep, all of these amazing things. That's just my point of view.